Recently I bought this TP-Link switch, but I found out that it was surprisingly loud after booting up. So we had to fix it. I grabbed my screwdriver and started opening it. Once the box is open, you can see there are two fans which were making the noise. So we had to put them off. These are the fan connectors, but they are glued. So we have to scrape off the extra glue in order to unplug the connectors. I took a minor screwdriver and I started scraping the glue. It was a bit of struggle, but I unplugged them anyway. So it's time to close the box. I added the screws back, crossed the fingers, then powered it on. Boot process complete. Fan light is orange, but it was nice and quiet.